The big news in red line is the new data acquisition products, DA10D and DA30D, which is a completely improved new product line. These two products are able to read data from more than 300 different protocols and convert these protocols into any other protocol that's available on the market, including MQTT, OPC UA, to connect these devices to the cloud. So the DA10D is our basic device, very slim, very compact. It can convert all the protocols that are in our library. It's running Crimson 3.1, our powerful software, very easy and intuitive to use. So you can connect your machinery within minutes. The DA30D can do everything the DA10D can do as well, but in addition it has capabilities to data log. It has a web server, so it can do very nice dashboards and a virtual HMI to be completely remotely controlled. So you have not only visibility, but increased visibility, real-time visibility, and also some control as well.